this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw money from Take Profit Trader account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to takeprofittrader.com. From here it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go up to login or get started, and then log into your account, and then click login. Then from here you'll get a confirmation email sent to the specific email that you have used to sign up for Take Profit Trader, and you'll just need to type that in and click continue. From here you'll go inside of the dashboard, and then from here you'll need to navigate to the wallet section at takeprofittrader.com under your user icon. Once you're done that, you'll need to click wallet, and once you're inside of the wallet, you'll need to go down to the withdrawal button to submit the payout request. After one of the Take Profit Trader admins approve your request, you'll be able to proceed to the next payout under the withdrawal request section. The appeal process might take up to 12 business hours, and however, usually it takes a lot faster. Once your payout request has been approved, then you need to go into your dashboard again and click proceed. If it's your first time withdrawing by the new method, you'll be asked to sign a tax form. The tax form will be opened up as a pop-up window, so please make sure to allow pop-up windows for our web page inside your browser. After you assign the tax form, please select proceed again. Once you have clicked proceed, you will be asked if you have a US bank account. And if you have a US bank account, your payout will be processed through Plaid. Once the payout is processed, you will receive an email confirmation from Take Profit Trader, and this is usually a real-time payment process. That may take a couple minutes, and in some cases 1 to 2 business days for the money to appear inside of your bank. Now, if you don't have a US bank account, you'll be asked to add a Wise or PayPal information. After you submit that information, Wise and PayPal payouts will be processed within 12 business hours, but usually a lot sooner than that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!